back with episode 2 of White Noise. Xbox 360. Where are we going?
We're gonna do it on a random location.
I don't like
Bye. Put a fucking point. Founders Hall or Chateau? What do you want to do it on? Well, this one's indoors, but we'll do this one on normal.
I'd rather do it on easy, but
Yeah, I could have put it on Nightmare and made your life a whole lot freaking worse. Alright, let's do this again. You were a good leader. You were good.
Alright.
Not gonna lie, we didn't. Where are you going? Where are you? Hey, your guy's nice. I hear tape already, I think. Let's just move it. You guys are pretty ugly. Look at your mom.
Daddy was in the last episode.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot
Here,
about
Whisper.
that.
Hit use.
Well, now it does because you said that.
Oh, it's blood. That's a perfect.
It looks like a freaking. Looks like an 8th grade girl's math. Haha, I remember when that joke was. We did. That's fine. At least we got the chance to check some things. When we see him, we're running. Like, we're not just walking away, we're freaking sprinting. I don't even care if I lose you. Pickle to the right. I hate this map because there's so many whispers. What does that even mean? There's one. No, they're being misused as for too many. There's normal. Are you following me? If there's a normal for you, he automatically just spawns right in front of you. Wait up! I'm right behind you. Dude. Yeah. My stomach. I'm a bitch, I should be making sandwiches.
Yeah, right.
Wow.
I don't like it.
I hope people who watch actually watch these videos because we're white and we talk about white people.
Whoa, that was not your stuff. Oh, that was bad.
It was my budget.
Got it.
This is the corner. He's behind us. I'm afraid. Sprint, why are you walking? Run! Run! characters.
Press the little bar. Wait a second. Okay, now. Like, you would be insane. You want it spin, you'll bring it.
Oh god, he's alright. Going insane. Yeah, we're good. Hey, he teleported. Yeah. He teleported.
You teleported away.
We were just in here, weren't we? Let's walk side by side. Why? Straight, there's one in here, Candyland. Yeah, I know. No, he's on us, dude, I can tell. Ah! He's right there! Yeah, he's right there, he's to our right. He's over there to our right. We're fucked. Go to the... Yeah. Then another left. Oh, dude! Oh! He's right there. He's to your right. You're not seeing him? If you hear the dripping noise like a drain, he's in there. Dude, if you hear the noise like a dripping drain, that means he's right on you. I like the... Like a...
Wow! They're calling a plumber there.
Dude, I know how to make that noise.
Hey,
it's so fun.
hey.
There's one in here.
Keep yourself together, man.
Fucked. We're fucked right now. Three on normal. Dude, you would think normal wouldn't be that hard. Nightmare is terrible, dude. Nightmare, you spawn, take 2 feet, and he teleports right in front of you, literally. Well, he's white. My flashlight didn't blink at all. He's trying... Alright, that's good. He's just trying to take our children.
Get him away.
He's on us. He's on us, dude. He's right on us, I can tell. What are you doing over there? There's a tip in here. Yep, he's in here. Just use. There it is. Fuck. He's got us cornered. Run. Just keep running.
That's
Sprint.
right.
That's a painting. Did you really fall for that? Dude, my freaking stomach is in a knot right now. That's awesome. Alright, run. Run, dude. He's got to be close to us.
What do you think?
Well, why don't you turn around? He is at the end. Dude, what if we do, like, a series? Or what if this series continues every single time we escape?
I doubt it.
Okay, escape.
Back off!
Oh,
yeah, I know.
I
I might die.
Hurry! behind
I
us.
hate these little like.
He's right on us, dude. Tango Louie.
Right?
Pickle. We're
Fuck
in
off
already.
and run. You're gonna die.
I hear Missy's too.
Take off.
Oh god! Yeah, we lose.
I don't care.
No! Yeah!
Whoa!
Run, dude, run, just run.
I couldn't. Like, I'm holding down, like, before I was just like, hold on a little bit. Okay, now I'll go.
But you run for a long distance, walk a little bit, then you run. Like, you don't continue to run. Yeah, I'll leave. Don't look at the pickle.
Take off.
I know when you want me to wait up. Oh, you tore right.
Hold up. You're better than this, like, stuff.
Let's walk
Yeah,
side
I'm
by
gonna
side. Holding hands.
Oh, where you wanna go, Bobby?
We're not doing this on normal, I've heard it.
We are now.
There's the painting. We had to go right, go right, go right. We haven't gone to the right yet.
Yeah, that's the wall. That's not Okay, whoever made this, who was ever in charge of it, yeah, there was, have to move the painting to the one room, whatever, and then close off the other room, or just have somebody
He's right there! Run!
in charge.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. I'm following you. I'm following you.
You know how,
Yeah. What? There's like two of them!
when you get off the gate,
Are you kidding?
Hey! Oh, I watched it.
1251.
Nah. It was first last 6 8. Remember, 12, 49. Next number. Take the first round. Really Watch it closer. I'm betting my money on Fortnite.
You're gonna have a big scream, like, before you die. Five. No, we get 6 and then we die. Yeah, see, look.
I get sick. I die.
Here's the thing. I turned behind us. He was right there.
Go in the middle.
I go ahead, do your little whatever.
Alright. Well, this is Rizzy. Signing off. You get this.